So believe it or not, this is not a map of the Philippine Islands. What you're looking at is concrete paint that is peeled and chipped away. So today we're talking about how to fix peeling garage floor paint. So I used this product from Sealcrete, this epoxy seal garage floor paint, and you can see in several places the paint simply peeled away and didn't properly adhere. Even though I cleaned the floor with the greaser, made sure it was clean and dry. I even applied concrete, like an adhesive or primer ahead of time. Most of the floor turned out fine, but a few spots I need to fix, obviously. So I'm going to start by scraping off the loose paint with a metal putty knife. To give you some context, I live in Colorado. We get snow and ice 6 months out of the year. They put de-icer on the roads. That gets stuck to the underside of your car. Park your car in the garage, drips off overnight. Obviously not good for the floor coating. This is not hot tire pickup because I don't park my car where you see this paint that's chipping off. So obviously something was on the concrete that didn't allow the product to adhere properly. So here's a solution that I found worked for me. Once I scrape the area clean, I simply spray this Rust-Oleum Stops Rust protective enamel spray paint on the exposed concrete. I let it dry, and then I go back and brush on the Sealcrete epoxy coating, and that seems to solve my problem. I cannot guarantee it will solve your problem. Everybody's situation is unique and different. This is something you can try, especially if you're on a limited budget like myself. If this doesn't work for you, you could try pressure washing, heavy-duty degreaser, a stripper product, sanding or grinding the concrete, or using a more expensive professional two-part epoxy on your garage floor, or if all else fails, install those interlocking tiles that you can drive on. So I'm mixing the product really well. All the white spray paint has dried. And I'm simply going to take just a regular old paintbrush and go ahead and apply the coating over the white spray paint. I've used this technique in a few spots now where the paint peeled up in my garage floor, and it seems to solve the problem. So leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Have you found another solution to this problem that I have not mentioned in the video? Wanted to mention, if you find any value out of these videos, please consider subscribing. Helps the channel move up in the YouTube algorithm so we can help more folks with their home maintenance and facilities maintenance. Here's the finished product. I hope this video helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.